Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing and it's a little bit different from what I normally do. It's a nose trimmer or hair trimmer. So it says a 3-in-1 nose, ear and hair trimmer. So the hair trimmer is, I think it's just sideburns, things like that. And obviously your nose and ears. So what's it say? It says super quiet 6,500 RPM motor, rechargeable and washable. I don't think it means a whole lot, it just means the end of the blade I think is washable. It looks quite nice. I'll quickly show you around the packaging. Don't know how much I like it. Yeah. And it says on the side, comfort trim technology. Comfort blade guard protects against nicks and cuts. Because I do get a few nicks when I'm having a shave if I've got a little spot pop up, which is really annoying. Reach angled micro tip for hard to reach places. So when you're sticking out your nose, it could be a hard to reach place. And speed, bi-directional blades for fast hair removal. So that's it. So it's got little pictures of someone shoving it up their nose and in their ears, and they've got a trimmer. So 3-in-1, so you've got little attachments, which is good. So I quite like that. And I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. Is it Scon? So I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name. It says it's a quality product. Actually, it says on Amazon, best rechargeable nose hair trimmer. Premium quality stainless steel, won't break. Lifetime warranty and 100% money back guarantee of satisfaction. So it's quite impressive. So with that, should we do the unboxing? I'll move the camera around so you get a better view because it's quite a small product. Right, can you see that okay? Move that out of the way. So got my little knife out because obviously it's still sealed. So yeah, it's better with that plastic, it doesn't shine so much, so you'll be able to see it better. Hopefully it'll work really well. Like I say, I've never had one of these before. I don't know if anyone else has got one of these. My son has got a different one. So let's get the box undone, shall we? Oops, whoops. Oops, there's all bits falling out everywhere. So that should have been in there. I don't know where that should have been. I would have thought in there as well. And there's a bag underneath. Oh, so it comes with a little bag. It's quite good to store it in. Instructions, a bit screwed up. So wonder if it's been resealed. Please read full instruction for proper use. So I'll have a read that a bit later. Rechargeable 3-in-1 trimmer, directions for use. I'll have a read that later, whatever. So, comes with your normal shaving connection. So you've got to have in this country, if you haven't got one of these connections, then you've got to have an adapter. Luckily I've got an adapter anyway for charging it up. Here's your trimmer, so obviously for your sideburns and that. And I'll probably use that. I'm going to test it on my hands because I have quite hairy hands. I'm going to do a demo once it's charged up of that. I'll be using that. Won't be using a little brush cleaning, obviously, and the unit itself, which is still sealed. So at least we know that ain't been used. They probably just put the packaging in a bit wrong. So just unwrap that. I don't want to use my knife because I'm frightened I might scratch it. That's it. Oh, got a nice little top, and there it is. So you basically push up your nose. Looks alright. Charger, plugging in charger there. So that goes in there. I wonder how long the lead is. Let's have a quick look. Oh, it's quite long actually. Probably about a metre. I'll have a measure up and put it on there later. So yeah, so that's the unboxing bit done. I'll charge it up. I'll read the instructions. Move that out of the way. So it comes with a nice little bag first. I'll just tell you that. Quality of the lead and the product looks really nice as well. Yeah. As long as it does the job at the end of the day is what we're worried about. Put that back on. Not sure how they call it, a 3-in-1. I suppose nose, ear and yeah, sideburns. So that's your 3-in-1, isn't it? Ta-da! Anyway, I'll charge it up and then we'll do a test on it. Right, we're back again. So it's 10 to 12 hours to charge this thing up for the first time. And the little light, red light, does not turn off, so it just says it's charging. But that's what it says in the manual anyway. So with that, what we're going to do, we're going to try this little trimmer. I'm going to use it on the back of my hand, on these hairs here. I think you can see that okay. So the way you do it, to remove this, you just twist anti-clockwise and pull off. And the same as putting this on. You find out where it slots in, give it a little twist, and job done. And that's it. So let's see how it works, or how good it is, shall we? There you go, it works pretty well. It, didn't feel no roughness neither, so that's pretty good. So that's that. So now I'm going to try it with this. Swap them over. Hair today, gone tomorrow. If I can find the hole. All you do, you just push it in and then turn it and it's locked in place. So again, we're going to do the same. Yeah, that works pretty well. Well, there's a bit of lubrication there or something. So for doing my hands, I think it'd be a lot better to use this one. So, yeah, back of my hand. Yeah, it works really well. I suppose the real test would be when I stick it up my nose or do my ears in it. But I'm not going to show you, so what I do is I'll test it myself and see how I get on. Right, so I've had a quick go of it, done my nose, feels a lot better, my ears, and back of one hand. So I've got a hairy hand on one side and not a hairy hand on the other side. Don't know if you can see that. Well, the knuckles, if you look on the hands, I've done some of them, not all of them, just to test it for now. So yeah, my first impressions, I'll tell you what I did like about it is how quiet it was compared to my old one. My old one was quite noisy and this is very quiet. And it's a little different to the way it works, whereas my old one was like a long one and sort of was down one end, where this is like cuts all round and that. So yeah, I think it's going to be alright. Obviously it's going to take me a few weeks to decide whether it's going to be perfect, so I'd have to get back to you, but my initial opinion is, yeah, it's very good. I know I would give it the thumbs up. So like I said, I'm not going to pronounce the name of this company because I don't know how to pronounce it. So yeah, comes out a little warm, like lukewarm, so you know the metal doesn't feel cold once it starts working. And sometimes it goes, oh, it's a bit nippy, isn't it? This is quite good. I like the look of it. It's quite nice. It's quite a good size device. It's not too small. It's not too big. It's very good. So hopefully I'll be using this for the very near future. Well, for quite a while I would have thought. Hopefully several years. So yeah, give my thumbs up. So if you have any comments about this, please put them in the description. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.